Hey, good morning, folks. Day 3 here at Abundant Life. Let's see what we got in here. We got a whole bunch of stuff here. Here's the rack that we're gonna put to move everything there. We're gonna knock that out. I got some zip ties, and I want to finish doing what I need to do so I can drive the lift out here so I can take it off contract so they can come pick it up. No point in paying for something else I don't need. And honestly, I think all the aerial stuff is going to be over. And now it's just going to be configurations and stuff that we are working on now. So let's get inside and let's get to work. Alrighty, so I am terminating the extra cable so we can connect and drop it over there. And I left a whole bunch of slack because right after I run that cable over here, because we want to verify that we're getting an image from the other camera as well as power. Then we're going to go slide this table over a little bit and put the mount there and move everything up there. And just like that, folks, we had 4 cameras. Right camera, left, the front, and the back. Yay! Let's configure this one and then work on mounting this and hanging it there. All right, folks, so we're adding some enhancements here. So based off of what we were talking about now, we're getting ready to go order a 75-inch screen TV for it to be a back display here. They are buying the personal mixers that I have not installed at Signs and Wonders. They're buying that, and then I'm buying a replacement to go to Signs and Wonders. But they're going to put the personal mixers there so they don't have to have the sound issue with speakers and everything like that, monitors, and the musicians. So I'm gonna take 2 of these connections, run them over there, go over to Signs and Wonders, get the other bundle of personal mixers, install them over here so it can be done for Sunday, and then order the new ones for them to replace what's over there. But let's get over here, mount this. Now I got my level, and we go from there. Alrighty, folks, almost done. I'm gonna put some brackets that I got there to secure those cables down. Oh, excuse me, got the hiccups. And then run it across. I'm gonna re-terminate that jack so we can get some internet going. Yeah, and we go from there. All right, folks, I got my hammer drill. We're about ready to punch through here to get through the center block down here so that we can fish the Ethernet cable that we left down here, then go through and then come up through the hole that's already there. So we went through there, but there's drywall and then there's brick. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, folks, we got it looped here. Now to make the crawl up under the platform, hit a stud here, firewall, whatever you want to call it. So we got it looped there, just did a notch right there so I can run the cable through. I got a whole bunch of cable left. I pushed at least about 30 feet in there. I think that might be enough. I'm gonna see what we can do, because I think I got enough cable, and I might just leave this up under the floor, or I don't know. We'll see. Here we go, folks. So we gotta crawl. Hey, I can see the cable. Yay. All right, let's make this climb. Oh Lord. I was tired, but we almost there. I need to put this phone down. Alrighty, folks, lift is done. Lift is outside, ready for pickup. I need to go ahead and log in and tell them to come pick it up, that I'm done with it. We got a lot of stuff done. Got the cable ran up under there like I showed you, crawling up under there. Got it terminated. Got the P16Ms hooked up, all 4 of them over there near the pit. Hung the mount for the new TV that they're going to be getting, that's going to be here at 6:30 for them to hang. I'm not going to be here for that. I've already drilled a hole in in the wall for an SDI cable that's going to go, and I'm wondering if I should do it in reverse. They have a, let me get over here. They have a decimator that can, a bidirectional SDI to HDMI, HDMI to SDI. I'm wondering if I should just put that in Pastor's office and run the fiber optic HDMI cable directly to the TV here. That would be easier. I think I will do that. But because that way I got this cable right here. I just run that up into the hole right there, or actually run it down in reverse and pull the cable to the pastor's office, use the decimator on that, and then the fiber HDMI cable I save for this run, and I can actually get a shorter one. Maybe that 50 foot that they have, I can just repurpose that. All right, folks, very, 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 very productive day. It's like I'm on a roll, so I want to kind of knock out as much as I possibly can while I'm in the mood to do it. So I already got the cable ran to Pastor's office, but what I'm going to do is just terminate the connection connected to the ATEM and just leave it at that. I need to grab another fiber HDMI cable because I'm going to run a line to the TV and run another line for the computer from upstairs so it can come downstairs, and then also run another audio cable so that we can send audio from this computer back upstairs. I would really like to centralize it to not do that, but that's what they asked for, so that's what we're going to do. So let me terminate this last cable. Yeah, after I do that table, I'm done. I'm done for today. We did a lot of stuff. I'll give you a quick tour when I'm done with this. All right, folks, so we're going to do a recap mainly off of what I'm doing, but we needed it again anyway for the team here. So let's see what we got. All right. I'm sitting down because I'm tired. We got all these cables, which are going to be bundled down and secured right behind here. We got all the cameras working, all the TVs, everything. What is not working is the audio. I have two 100-foot XLR cables that we're going to run directly into the ATEM off of the X32 upstairs. That's what we're going to do tomorrow. I already have the cable for a pastor's office to his TV. We have another TV that's going to be for the back wall. I have a 75-foot fiber HDMI cable. We're going to run that for that TV. The personal mixers, all of the snake, everything on the stage is done. I just need to put blank plates on the wall to cover up the holes that I made to run the cable. Then when I do that, everything from the band and stage, pulpit, wall, all of the front is done. I've already returned, flagged the lift to be returned. It's already outside. We played around and initially set up the P16s with the musicians set up, and we're going to go over that to show everybody how that can all work, which I have a video, which I will tag up here on how we did that, a beginner's guide for the P16Ms, how to use those. Yeah, so the main thing is, we also need to run another HDMI cable from the computer upstairs so that that can be fed into the ATEM down here, because they run ProPresenter upstairs. Now, if we're doing a back display, that makes me think, if we're doing a back display, we don't need to run a cable at all. The back display will come directly from that computer going directly to that TV, and it doesn't need to touch the ATEM at all. If it needs to, at any point in time, flip over so that that back TV can show something, then we will need to connect it to the ATEM. We need to figure that out. That's the workflow. That would make it easy if we just connect it. But we need to run two HDMI cables, one to the back TV, one for the TV upstairs. The XLR is coming down, which will give us audio here. And what else? What else? And they want to be able to use the computer over here to feed back up into the system, which I think is kind of overkill. But I'm gonna see if we can work around and just using the audio upstairs. If they do, I have to run another audio cable from here upstairs. I'll probably send it over Cat 6. I still have some extenders to do that. That'll make that easy. And what's the last thing we got? Oh, we need to run another Cat 6 because the network jack for the X32 upstairs doesn't work. So we might as well run a cable. So we got to run 5 more cables up, 2 more cables down, 3 more cables down. Yeah, for that. So that's what we got tomorrow. Is that it? I think that was it. So anyway, if you like the type of content, all that stuff, I'm tired. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Later.